Hi amigos, today we are unboxing Flipkart Note 30 5G. Let's unboxing Infinix Note 30 5G. Listen that symphony. That's why I'm making this video. I have no interest of unboxing, but symphony was too good. What a symphony. I'm unboxing this Note 30 5G. I have bought Note 30 5G, but I'm recommending this product to not buy Note 30 5G in Flipkart because it is under 7 days replacement. So don't dare to buy. You might get trouble. Symphony was too good here. I love the symphony. What happen if we buy in Flipkart under 7 days replacement? You have to go to the nearest store if any problem occurs, and they will not consider what you feel the damage is happened. They didn't feel how you feel with the damage, and they will not take this under consideration of damage. So I am not gonna consider this anymore. This is how my phone looks, Infinix Note 30 5G. I have bought this 1 month, 2 months ago. In within 10 days, it will be in trouble.